Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris and I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I appreciate that. Y'all, today we're gonna unbox what I got from the latest Coach drop with the rainbow pastel print that just came out. It's really super cute on the website, so I can't wait to see what it looks like in person. I've got 3 items. I'll share those with you in just a moment, but I do want to say a little bit about Coach recently. I know Coach is having a moment right now, and I've been all about Coach, and I do love some of their bags and stuff, but the service that they've had recently, it just hasn't been up to par. I did order a couple of bags over Christmas. You probably saw the 2 kiss locks that I did in a couple of videos back around Christmas time. They're beautiful, and I have the one over here in my cabinet, the larger one that I kept, but I did have to return that smaller one because it was just too small for me. And the whole return process with Coach has been a fiasco, y'all. I just got the refund like 2 days ago, and that was, let's see, today's the 13th, so it was on the 11th. So they got the bag back on the 31st of December. Usually it takes 7 to 10 days to get a return from Coach. To process, sometimes that can be the longest, and usually it's pretty fast. But in this case, I didn't hear anything back, and I kept reaching out to them through the chat, and the chat just kind of made me go in circles, and nobody was really helping me. It's very frustrating. And I just told them that I don't see why it's my fault that they don't have enough people working to process their returns. So because the return process had been extended because of the holidays from 7 to 10, and then now it was 10 to 14 days could be the longest that it takes to get a refund. Now y'all, I just went to Old Navy a couple of days ago to return a few things, and the refund, I went in there, refunded it. The refund was there basically before I even got home. It was back in my account. So you can't tell me Coach, being a high-end luxury brand, can't put your money back in a little bit faster. So y'all need to work on that, Coach, with your refund process and things like that, and just some of your other customer service as well. I do love the brand and I do want to stay with y'all, but I do want y'all to look at what's going on with your customer service and try to do better by your customers, because we do spend a lot of money with Coach. So my husband just bought a bag from Coach as well, and I'll put a picture up of the one he got here. Beautiful green bag, and I forget the name of it, but I'm gonna show you on the screen here, you'll see it. Now y'all, this bag came damaged. I'll show you pictures of the damage as well. It came like this with corner wear, and just, I told him, I said, just return the bag, or swap it out and get another one, but he was like, no, I'm just gonna return it. So that was about $300 that Coach lost off of that sale just because they sent a damaged bag. And it's not the first time it's happened. My package with my large Rexy back there, it came with a giant hole in it. So, and I know that's FedEx's fault, but why don't they use someone else besides FedEx? I'm sorry y'all, but FedEx is the worst when it comes to delivery in my experience. So these are just all my opinions. Y'all tell me what you think about all this in the comments, but over with the rant about Coach customer service. Just do better, Coach. We love your products and we really want to support you and continue on this journey because y'all have some great stuff coming out. The customer service though, somebody needs to work on that, okay? So let's do better, Coach. All right, y'all. Now, before I get on with the unboxing of the Coach items I got from that last drop, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my content. I do appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, go ahead and consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on my TikTok channel, and I do post high quality images and videos sometimes of the stuff that I do on my Instagram page, so definitely check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, y'all definitely check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there, all of my social media, and discount codes as well. And with all that being said, if everybody could just take one moment to give this video a like, and also try to hype this video as well. So to hype, you just go in the comment section on the YouTube app, and you swipe to the right, I believe, and there's a hype button so you can hype people's videos. It's a new feature from YouTube, so y'all go ahead, hype my video for me, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And like I said, thank you again for tuning in to watch my video and supporting my channel. So let's go ahead, we're gonna unbox these items together. Like I said, I've got 3 items from this last drop. The first one I'm gonna do is a small one here, and it came just in a plastic envelope here. The weird thing about the delivery, y'all, is I ordered 2 items, the scarf and I ordered, I'm sorry, maybe I have 4 items. So I ordered the scarf and I ordered the satchel, and then I also ordered a little luggage tag because I collect their luggage tags, and they had one in a blue that was really pretty, and I just had to have it. It's like a camo blue, and I'll show you that too because it's going to be in one of these packages, hopefully. But let's get into this one. This is going to be the scarf, I'm sure, if I can get into the plastic here. I don't want to cut the scarf. So here it is. Okay, so this is the scarf. All right, and it just came in a plastic bag like this. It's a small little skinny scarf that you can like put around your neck, or you can wrap your bags in. So let's take it out together and see how it looks. All right, and here is it. This is a little skinny scarf, and it's pretty long. So, you know, you could use it as a scarf, but I'm probably gonna wrap my bag handles or either wear it on a bag. It's really pretty though. I think this was on sale for maybe like $30. Let me show you how it looks up close here. All right, so there it is. Really pretty, and I love the pastel rainbow on it. So that's gonna look really nice on my bags that I've got here too. Or you could dress it up and put it on some darker bags, and that pastel color is really gonna pop. So that's the first item, the little scarf there. So let's put that to the side, and we're gonna open up one of these bag boxes. So I've got the satchel that I got, the regular satchel in the rainbow print. I also got the city tote as well. So that's the bigger bag. So let's go ahead and open up the smaller box here. What I was trying to say earlier is I ordered the city, not the city tote, I ordered the satchel and the luggage tag and the scarf together. The scarf came first, y'all, and then this just came. The city tote came a couple of days ago, so it's so awkward. And I ordered that city tote 2 days after I ordered the first 2 bags. So another issue with Coach, they just fulfill their orders, I guess, as they can, and that's fine, as long as they come intact. So hopefully everything in these packages are gonna be intact. All right, so let's get into the box here. This is my luggage tag here. It came in a little plastic bag here. It's got some stuffing down in the box. Let's get out my satchel. This is the satchel here. And let me just get rid of this box here so we can see it and unwrap it. All right, I'm gonna show you the luggage tag. I collect these, y'all, and if anybody ever wants to get me a gift, these are really inexpensive and they're fun, and I just collect them. I have quite a few of them that I collect, but I just had to have this one. It's in a blue camouflage print, and I just thought it was really adorable. So I've got a green and a black one as well. So that is the luggage tag there, and it's got your buckle and everything on it in leather, and of course your Coach logo and everything on the thing there. But I just love that camouflage print, and it goes good. You can use it as a bag charm, or you can use it as a luggage tag. So another nice little addition to my collection here. All right, so let's go ahead and we're gonna unwrap the satchel here. This is it. See how it comes. Now, you know, Coach doesn't really, as far as the outlet, they don't send you a dust bag or anything unless you buy one. So it doesn't have a dust bag. It just comes in plastic here. And let's unwrap it here. It's wrapped up pretty good. Here it is. All right, y'all, so I love the pastel so far. To me, y'all, this pastel drop, to me, the rainbow pastel, it really looks like their older Pride bag that they come out with a few years ago. That print, and it's just a faded version of it in a pastel, but I really like it. And I love the fact that it came out with silver hardware, so I was happy about that. So let me just do a 360 of this satchel, and then I'm gonna show you some close-up details on it, and I'm gonna take all the wrapping and everything off of it so we can see it. So that's the front and the side. Do a little spin there. It's still got the tags and all on it, but I'm happy that they did the silver. I think it looks really good with the lighter colored pastel. So plus on that, Coach. It has just a imprint of Coach there. The older ones actually had the Coach print in the colored rainbow color. So that's a difference there. But I do like this bag. Let me unwrap it real quick, and I'm gonna show you some details, and then we'll get into the city tote. All right, y'all, so I got all of the packaging off of the Rowan satchel. This is the regular size. I really wish that they would have come out with this in a large Rowan, because I just like a big bag, y'all know. But this is gonna have to do, and it's the regular size, and it's a pretty good size bag. I would say this is probably like a 25. So it's nice. Let me just show you some close-up details on it. It doesn't have feet on the bottom of it. Let me get in a little bit closer where you can see the hardware and everything on it and that pastel color. So there is the Coach logoing on it there in that silver, beautiful silver. You have Coach logoing on your rivets there, and look at that beautiful pastel color on the canvas there. I just love that in that ombre rainbow color. The hardware on it, like I said, is that silver. You've got a chunky zipper pull there, and it just goes one way up the bag. It does come down the side so that you can have a little bit more space to get into the bag. But then there is your zipper there, and it comes down the other side of the bag there, and you have a D-ring there for your strap. And let me just open that up for you, and I'll show you the inside of it. So there's a D-ring on both sides there, and you do have a rivet there with Coach on it there. And then let me show you the back side, because I didn't show you that. You have a nice zipper pocket on the back there, and it's gonna have your Coach zipper there. These zippers on here are really nice and they actually open really well. The interior is this beautiful color here. And it's a nice silky fabric material on the inside of these bags. So this is a nice size pocket. It will actually fit my phone inside of it, so that's a good thing. All right, so let's go on the inside of the bag here and let me show you the interior. The same color silky material on the inside of this bag too, and then down in there you're gonna have your journey tag. You have a zipper pocket as well with a leather zipper pull there. So very nice interior, and there is some pocket on the other side here. It's like a little slip pocket on the opposite side there. So that is the interior of the bag. The rest of it is just one opening. That is classic of their Rowan bags, okay? I don't know if I showed you the luggage tag up close, but there's the luggage tag. It's a smaller luggage tag. So that is the Rowan satchel in the pastel rainbow. Really happy with it, and I really like that pastel color. Let me show you the strap that it came with. It came with this neutral muted color strap as well that matches the leather on it. You have your dog leash style attachment pieces there, and it has the logos of the Coach logo on the end there. And then the strap also has a D-ring on it, which I really love because you can actually add a bag charm or something there, or you can hang a charm or a plush pendant from there, so I like that. The strap is adjustable, so it's really long, so hopefully it's gonna fit on me, and I'll show you some mod shots in a moment of what it looks like on. All right, y'all, so that's the first bag in that beautiful rainbow pastel color, and it's the Rowan satchel. And y'all tell me what you think about this one in the comments. So let me show you what it looks like on me, and then we're gonna open up the city tote and see how it looks. All right, y'all, so here is the Rowan satchel on me, and it has a really nice strap drop, which I really love. So I think it fits me really well. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Does this bag fit on me? On my body, I'm a 6'2" man, so you know, it's gonna be a little bit longer if you're a shorter person, but I think it fits me pretty good for my height and my size. I do love this strap that it has the D-ring on it here, so I'll be able to hang a bag charm from there, but I think it's really good as far as the strap length goes. And of course, I will probably just use it as a top handle bag. I usually use most of these as a top handle, but you do have the option to have the strap, and maybe I'll wear it with the strap just because it has the little D-ring and I can actually add my bag charms to it. But I really think she's a beautiful bag, and I'm really happy with this pastel print on it so far. So I'm happy with this one, Coach. So she's a keeper for sure, and I'm gonna add it to my Rowan collection. So, all right, y'all, let's open up that city tote and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so that was the Rowan satchel. Let's open up the city tote here. It came in a big brown box here, so let me get into it, and we're gonna see what this city tote looks like. Now, I do collect the city totes. I think they're a really nice tote, and they're fairly inexpensive. Both of these bags were only about $200 a piece, so they are inexpensive from Coach Outlet. So here's how it came, and there is the packaging. Same thing with this one. There's not gonna be any kind of dust bag or anything like that. It just comes in your plastic wrapper here. So it does come in a Coach bag here, as you can see. Let's get into it and see how this city tote looks. All right. Let's see here, let me take it out of the plastic. All right, and there it is. Get all this plastic over here. Some stuffing. All right, so here is the city tote, and I do love it. And like I said, this is just like an updated version to me of the Pride. It's just in a lighter pastel color, but honestly, it looks almost the same, like it's faded out to me. But I do love the fact that they put the silver hardware on this one. I'm just a big fan of silver, and I will definitely be using this city tote. So let's check it out. Let me get all this wrapping off, and I'm gonna come back and show you some details of it. All right, y'all, so here is the city tote with all the wrapping off of it. I think it's really beautiful. I do love the pastel color on it. Y'all tell me what you think about the print. Let's do a 360 spin here, and then I'll show you some close-up details. But she is a beautiful little bag, and I just love the city tote. There's the bottom of it. All right, so that's really nice. I wish that they would have put a hang tag with some color on it, kind of like the Pride one with the little rainbow letters on it instead of just a plain one colored hang tag. But it's nice that they actually added the Coach logoing there. I don't know if you noticed recently some of the stuff that Coach came out, especially around Halloween, didn't even have the little metal logo on it. So they added that on it, so that's on it, so that's good. All right, y'all, let's open it up here. The inside of it, it has a little snap piece here that just snaps together for closure. And then the inside is a nice canvas wipeable material. So that's really nice as well. I love the inside color. You do have a pocket on the inside, and your journey tag is in there. And you have a zipper pocket with a leather zipper pull. The zipper on these are smooth as can be, and then there is the interior of that pocket. So just the classic city tote from Coach. Now on your opposite side here where you have your little clasp piece, it does have the Coach logoing on the inside of that as well. So you do have that secondary logo on the inside. So really, really nice. And it's gonna be nice to add it to my city tote collection. All right, y'all, so that is the second bag, the city tote in this beautiful pastel rainbow. What do you think? All right, y'all, so that's it. My 2 finds that I got from that latest Coach drop in this beautiful rainbow pastel print. I think they're both beautiful, and I didn't really see any other bags that I had to have out of the collection. Y'all let me know what you got, if you got anything from this collection. It's a really stunning collection, and I really enjoyed it, and I'm glad that they came out with it, and hopefully they'll come out with some larger bags, like a large Rowan in it. I'd really love to see that, but these 2 are beautiful, and I'm glad I got them and picked them up. So thank you so much for watching my video. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all go ahead and definitely hit that subscribe button before you leave. And please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.